Hello folks, starting to bring you some of my tone testing type videos here. This is my Fodera Victor Wooten signature bass. Heavy bugger, 5 kg, weighs a ton. But it's a nice little bass, has some cool stuff on it. So I'm going to start with blend is in the middle. And bass and treble are all the way down, I think, or all the way up, one or the other. Okay, now they're all the way down. They go the opposite way of the volume. Strange. So that's in the middle. So this is using the back pickup. And let's go to bridge. And we'll turn the bass and the treble all the way up. Blend to the bridge. There's the neck. And let's stay on that. And we have a little switch here, and that's converts everything to active pickups. So that's the neck, bridge, and a blend. Now let's get rid of the bass and treble boosts. We'll just go full treble. Turn the treble back down, bass. We're back to the neck. Bass full up, treble down, treble up, bass down. Quite a sound. Okay, let's shift to the bridge. We'll put both back up. One to the middle. Kill some of that treble. A little more treble. It's a nice little bass. Heavy bugger, like I say. It's over 9 pounds, I guess. So it's not a light thing to wear, so you gotta wear the big fat straps on it. But it's an okay bass. I can get some really nice sounds out of it that suit the kind of music that I'm playing with. With my Chinese band. So I can kind of shift a little bit. I really like having that active, just to give it a little more punch when you need to. Just flip a switch. This bass does a lot more than the Ibanez did, but the Ibanez was a lot lighter. The action's not too bad. Looks like it could use a little more adjustment. Yeah, a little too much relief in the neck, but that's okay. Easily done. But anyway, there's the bass, and I'll be bringing you some other stuff. See you soon.